Imagine a sudden event turns your world upside down. Your home experiences damage, or your car is involved in an accident. Among the many things racing through your mind, a question pops up. Do I have all my receipts? It is a common worry, and one that often causes unnecessary stress during an already difficult time. While having receipts can be incredibly helpful for filing an insurance claim, they are not always strictly required. Your insurance company primarily needs proof of ownership and the value of your damaged or lost items, or the extent of damage to your property. Receipts are one of the best ways to provide this, but other forms of documentation can also work. The main reason documentation is so important is to establish what is called proof of loss. This means showing the insurance company exactly what was damaged or lost and what its worth was. Think of receipts as evidence. They clearly show what you purchased, when you purchased it, and how much it cost. This information helps your insurer calculate your payout, especially for personal property inside your home or specific components of your vehicle. Without this proof, it becomes much harder for the insurer to assess your claim accurately, and it might lead to a lower settlement than you deserve, or even delays in processing. They want to make sure they are compensating you fairly for verifiable losses. So, if you do not have every single receipt, do not panic. You can still provide other forms of documentation. This includes photographs or videos of your belongings, instruction manuals, product boxes, credit card statements showing the purchase, or even appraisals for valuable items like jewelry or art. For property damage, detailed photos and descriptions of the damage itself are critical. The key is to gather anything that helps prove you own the item and what its approximate value was before the incident. A really smart move for any homeowner or renter is to create a home inventory before disaster strikes. This is like a complete list of everything you own, ideally with photos or videos. Digital apps make this easy to do on your phone. Also, understand the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost coverage. Actual cash value factors in depreciation, meaning your payout will be less than what you paid for an item. Replacement cost coverage, on the other hand, aims to give you enough to buy a brand new equivalent item. Having receipts or good documentation strengthens your case for replacement cost if you have that coverage. Ultimately, good documentation, whether it is receipts, photos, or a detailed home inventory, empowers you during the claims process. It ensures you can clearly communicate your losses, supports your claim for fair compensation, and helps speed up the entire process. By being prepared, you are not only easing your own stress but also making it easier for your insurance company to help you get back on your feet.